Welcome to Cybersecurity Readout. Today, we're diving into the world of cybersecurity vulnerability identification and response methods. Imagine your organization as a fortress where there are different ways to spot and fix weak points in your defenses. Common vulnerabilities and exposures, or CVEs, are a public library of known weak spots. They're great for standardization and sharing, but remember, not all vulnerabilities are listed. Threat intelligence is like a crystal ball that gives you insights about potential future threats and the tactics of your adversaries. But beware, it requires expertise and time to analyze the data. Automated vulnerability scanning is like having a robot guard that can quickly spot known vulnerabilities. It's fast and scalable, but it can't detect unknown threats. Manual penetration testing is a friendly spy to test your defenses. It can find vulnerabilities missed by the robot guard, but it requires skilled personnel and can be time-consuming. Patch management can fix the cracks in your walls, good for known vulnerabilities, and can even bring performance improvements. But it may cause compatibility issues and requires testing before deployment. Finally, an incident response plan is a well-trained team ready to minimize the impact of a breach and return quickly to normal operations. But remember, it needs regular updates and training. Stay safe out there.